Down the middle's down. Watch that left side. Keep an eye on that cut through. Where is he? Is he behind that fence? And that shut him up. That's a bomb crate right there. See it? Watch him, he's trying to shoot through the window. Oh, that's good shot, Ian. Fucking hell. Good luck. Dead man coming out! Dead man! Jesus.
Two left, right?
I'm out.
I'll get 15 and 15.
I'm out.
You done?
Still get this.
Alan's just.
I think they're going to come up far
Alan's
enough.
his 50 round mag.
Aye.
Or he's.
That's
I've got 1,000 rounds from MP5 on me. I'll hold them off.
Get out there, you. We'll sit here and watch. And there it goes. Don't worry, mate, it's on camera.
Fucking mag full on it, eh?
Oops.
I think you're firing then in, buddy.
Close enough, close enough. Go, 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 go. Good. Straight jump. Cheers, mate. Inside. Clear. Left side, left side. Got him, he's down. Right side's clear.
It's a bit chaotic with them coming through there.
With at least two reds in the middle as well, because they got me. How many cans you got? You're definitely hit now. Cheers, mate. Don't get mad at my game. Black team! Kind of dates. That's him in the fucking corner. Black in here.
Black team.
Oh, there's somebody in there keeps shooting us. Behind the tyres, far left corner. I'll spare you the pain, mate. One inside. Clear. There's one in the FOB, he's hiding in the back bathroom. Oh, hits. Back in. Fill back. Get to the chopper. West side of the bus. I'll go for it. You're dead, mate. Shot it twice in the back. Mate, I shot it twice in the back, you. He's alright, he's alive. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back in! Aye. I'm starting to spread it out a wee bit. Hits. Show me. Yeah. White medic. Ah, God damn it. Give me cake. Come on, cake. I'll get one or two.
One.
And the winner is...
Well done.
Is that straight back in? Excellent. Back in. Oh, hits. Sneaky. White medic. You hit me? One, two, three, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. I was tempted to let this off, but no. Yep.
Right much, spot on, buddy. Right 2 minutes, guys. Great kill winners. Great team of down there.
Who's on the dead? He's on the. Sorry, guys.
I'm not shouting medic, you guys stand.
6-2 long.
That just hit me. I think he's actually marked.
Middle door, right window.
We've got about 60 seconds to get that kill house back.
I shall mute you.
Oh, is my team got the kill here?
Aye.
You should have shooting at
One, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hits! Oh, you know. Game! Ah. Right, we need you further up the field. Stay behind there. Hold on again, Stephen. Ready? Hold on. Take 5 for the right somewhere. Okay, go. Bombs in the car! Good job. First bomb's in! Nice crunch, no fucking taking it. Probably will be. Hold on.
No, there's no.
There's one of those in here. Are the windows clear? Oh, sorry mate. Let's go while we get a chance. Keep pushing up, guys.
Underneath the clock. Look behind the car. Point left, Colin.
Oh, see him. Oh. What's the left? Behind the fence, behind the car. Oh, hits! Push up the right, no cover. Shooters are on the right. Gun hits. What's behind the fence on the right?
Where's the bomb going?
He was hit a few minutes ago, he's probably back at the store. Hit! Okay, boss.
Right, guys.
Middle window. Behind the fence. One behind the tyres again. He's gone again. Shooters on the right. Oh, hits. Move it, guys, move. That's it. Dead man.
But then,
Right, so there.
in all fairness, if you're seeing a gap and you're seeing his body, because I was seeing his knee, and he's...
Well, guys. Push guys down, watch middle window. Middle window's down. Middle window's down. Second one, middle window. Back of the train.
Is
there anybody in the car?
There's one guy in the middle window. If you sprint for it, you might make it. Going to keep the guy in the train busy. Go, go, go. Go. Shut the ammo. Bombs in the clock tower. Good job, mate. Back of the train. Hit. Good shot. I'm dead, I can't tell you. I seriously doubt we'll get time to get the last one in. Wish I had a suicide one. Last chance, guys. Go. Shit. Game. Well played. Oh, that was tough. Oh, man.